Okay, we are broadcasting. So, hi Alice, when you see this, it's Anton and James and Popcorn. And we're just about to talk about our contract. We've just decided that we're going to create a team folder in Google Drive and we'll share it there. So, okay guys, now we get to look at this thing and figure out what we're going to do with it.
So for communications, I'm okay with email or cell phone. Both are fine to me. I don't know how face-to-face would work.
Face-to-face is not going to go well.
So. Okay.
I mean, this is an ODL class. I don't know what they were thinking.
Yeah, I mean, I'll just type that in. And get rid of some of those extra spaces. All right. Well, and of course, we have our Moodle forum, right?
Yep.
So.
Yeah, I prefer we don't use that. I'm still figuring out how to get notifications.
Yeah, that was my problem. I didn't actually see your guys' notifications until I had to directly click it.
Yeah, I mean, I almost missed it too.
Yeah, I get them, but I don't remember how I set that up. Sorry.
Yeah, let's just stick with email.
Okay.
Cell phone if I'm not answering the email.
Okay. And let's see. Requests for a meeting should come at least. Oh, yeah. Well, how much notification do you guys need?
I would prefer at least 1 day.
Yeah, preferably 1 day. But I'm okay
with a day and a half.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, how about 1 to 2 days?
Yeah, I mean, if you ask me, like fewer than 36 hours before the meeting, like I might just say no and miss it.
Yeah. Okay. And group members should respond to within
24 hours.
Well, sure.
Well, yeah.
I want to say 12, but
well, we're on
some people are busy, so.
Yeah, that can happen, and like I'm nowhere near the Twin Cities right now. I'm just lucky to have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Right. Decisions for our project will be by consensus. Well, majority vote. I think consensus will probably be just fine.
Yeah.
I can't see 3 of us taking a vote. I'll just get rid of the extra words. Okay. Meeting is attend all meetings unless you get notified. Everyone should be logged on, ready to begin by. Oh yeah, do we have a particular? Yeah, I guess one thing we're supposed to figure out is there a particular date or time that works well for us?
I'm free Thursdays, for the most part.
Thursday?
Except in the morning, because I do have to take care of my niece.
Yeah, and for me, it's got to be afternoons or evenings, weekdays anyway, so that's fine.
Yeah.
I'm still working part-time, so I work in the mornings. So Thursdays are good?
Yeah.
Okay, we will remain in our meeting. Let's see. Oops. 10 minutes beforehand. They're avoidable. Everyone should be logged in by. Oh, I guess this is asking how many minutes before the meeting. I'll say
10, 15.
How about 5?
Yeah, I mean 5. It's like we schedule when we start, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just say 5. That's fine. I mean, we were in. Yeah, because James, next week you're manager and you get to do this.
Oh man.
To look forward to. 5 minutes. Should be logged on by 5 minutes before. I guess I got to make the sentence that makes sense. Group members remain in the meeting until all tasks are completed. There's a unanimous adjournment, or what? Someone
gets shot or something.
Yeah. I don't need a 3rd bullet point unless you guys have one.
Yeah, it's totally fine.
That's fine. Okay, we'll just delete number 3. And then there's another one here. All group members are prepared for the meetings by reading the material, coming with ideas. Well, yeah.
That pretty much covers everything.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it does. I mean, we're students in school. What else should we do? All right, let's see. Project content. Group members will complete task best of their ability. Okay, all right. Tasks group members undertake should be completed by the agreed deadline. Sure. Yeah, we need to, okay. In other words, do what we promised to do, and if we run into trouble, talk to each other.
Yeah.
Yep, and there's no cheating allowed. All right. I'm good with that. Any comments? Yeah.
Pretty standard.
Yeah.
It is. Failure to respond to groups requests in the time outlined will result. Oh, look, okay. This is where we get to pillory the offender. This notification to failure to respond will result in the notification of the instructor by the dialogue with the instructor tool. Okay. In other words, if I really start letting you guys down, you tell Alice. That's what it means. And should occur no later than 12 hours after the period indicated. Okay, failure of the group to attend will result in the following consequences. I don't know.
Just get a 0.
I mean,
Yeah,
make up consequences.
Yeah. Wait, you know, we'll say
think,
bad things about each other. I
think B
I don't know. It just
B is fine for that, and like C is fine for the other one.
yeah. Well, C is fine for the other one. Let's see. Reduction of the group member score. Sure. Failure. Yeah, and of course the A needs to stay there. I think just because I mean if we run into trouble, our teacher really needs to know about it. So just do B. Okay. I participated in the roles and procedures. I understand that I'm obliged and will abide by them. I understand that if I do not, okay, fine. Do we all agree?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So I'll tell you what, I'll type my name in there and date it, and then when you guys get the link to this, you can check it out and type your own names in there. How's that?
Yep.
Sounds good.
That sounds good.
Okay. Well, this was pretty painless.
Well, I hope this is just a contract, so I hope it was.
Yeah. No, and it's good to have a chance to do this and just sit and talk. At least, well, I can't see any of you guys right now. I'm looking at this contract, so and I don't know how to find you guys again on the screen yet. Oh, there you are, but you're little down on the bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you see what we need to do next week?
No, not at all.
Okay. If you look in the Discovery project thing, there's the first 4 weeks are actually pretty straightforward. It's really, we get together and chat about things. And it doesn't look like the project itself starts in earnest until the second third of the course. Don't see to module 9. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I'm gonna find the right page. That's module 6.
Why math?
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Why math? That's what it's called. So, yeah. So today was just getting started doing what we're doing here. So, and so next is why math, and there's some little points that you can use, like what's the point of learning math, and discuss the role of math, and what strengths and limitations are using mathematics. So Popcorn, James and I were talking before you got on about what our interests were in this class. Well, what's your interest in?
I've always liked math, and interestingly enough, I don't have Calc 1 under my credits, but I have Calc 2, and I'm in here, so we got to sort that out. But yeah, I just like math.
So how did you handle Calc 2 without having had all those basic fundamental things of Calc 1 first?
So I already took Calc 1 in high school, but I never got a college credit for it. And in college, I took Calc 2, and I passed it. And so, but that was at Hamline University, and they accepted. They like just wrote it off like, okay, we'll give you the free Calc 1 credit. But when I transferred here, they said you probably have to retake it. So I'm still working it out.
Okay. And James is here because you're applying this in your own little consulting company, right?
Yeah.
Didn't you say it was for machine learning?
Yeah, machine learning on customer support data sets.
Okay.
I actually love machine learning. I tried to get into computer science, but it's way too difficult for me. I can't grasp the concept.
Yeah, and I was just saying I'm here because I'm interested in astronomy and physics, and I'm close to retirement, and I want to pursue it, so I'm taking math now. See, when I grow up, I want to be a student.
I don't think I'll ever say those words, but we'll find out.
You may someday.
We'll find out.
Yeah, because there's so much out there to know and do, and there's so little time to learn all of it. Anyway, we were promised to keep this one short. You guys, anything else?
No, just send it over and then we'll sign.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Yeah, sure. I'll send that to you. And so next week, we're supposed to think about these bullet points in that module too, and we'll just have another chat, I guess. And James gets to set it up. Hot dog. All right.
Cool.
Well, it's nice meeting you guys. And I'll see you next week. I'll stop the broadcast.